Okay, this video is for the Honors Credit version. It's called House with Smoke Puff Moving. It's actually, this one right here, Honors Credit Assignment. And so, I'm going to run it just to show you what it's supposed to look like when you run it. So it builds a house. These are all different objects that it's creating. A rectangle, another rectangle, a rectangle here with a circle. That puff of smoke was a circle. This is a rectangle. This is a polygon with 3 points. And so you're building your house, and then you want to also build the puff of smoke. But the puff of smoke has to be built before the rectangle for the chimney, because whatever gets built first, let's go back and look at the graphics here, or the code I mean, whatever gets built first gets put behind, like everything else after it gets built, gets put on front of it on the screen. So anything you want hidden behind something else has to be up earlier, created first before the other object. Alright, and then how do you use the move function? I didn't show it to you in the code, but I did show it to the happy face for the non-honors credit. So if you guys go into this assignment, scroll all the way down to the code, you'll see these for loops, and we're using this move method or function. We call it a method. So it's taking this object, left eyeball. Let's go up here and I'll show you where it was created. So the left eyeball was created here. It's equal to a circle at 0.4, and it has so 0.4 would be at this coordinate 150, 190, and it has a radius of 9. And then that left eyeball object that's created here, then it's set to be filled black for color, and then it's drawn on the window. And then down here, we move it. We apply this move method. In the x direction, it'll be moving to the left because it's a negative x, and it's 0 in the y direction. Same thing for the right eyeball, so that they're both moving to the left. 4 units, 4 pixels. How many times does it go through this for loop? 7 times. I always starts off as a 0. A 0 the first time through, then 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, 6, and then when it hits up to 7, then it stops. So it goes from 0 to 6, which means 7 times it runs through this loop. So whatever number you put here for range, this one has 14, this one has 7 times. So these loops, that's how many times it's running through the loop. And that's the move function and the for loop that you're going to use with the move function to make that puff of smoke move.